In this video, I will show you how to fix the Apple Pay age requirement. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to fix this, what you're going to have to do is actually change your date of birth for your Apple account. Now, to do that, what you need to do is open up the settings on your iPhone. Then what you want to do is come all the way down to the bottom and press onto apps. Now, in your apps, what you want to do is look for Mail. So this is in alphabetical order. So you just want to come down to M and then look for Mail. Once you've found that, go ahead and give it a press. On the next screen, what you need to do is press onto Mail Accounts, and this way you're going to find your iCloud account. So what you need to do from here is press onto your iCloud account. Then what you need to do is press onto Personal Information. In here, you're going to find your date of birth, which you can edit from this screen. So all you need to do is press onto your date of birth and update this accordingly to fix any age requirements for Apple Pay. So that is how to fix Apple Pay age requirement. With that being said, I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today. And if this did help you out, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this quick tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.